AMT sequencer. New wiring have been added in the hardware configuration and in the analog output tab. This way, if one of the main outputs is out of order, the same voltage and current can be supplied from other channels to perform the wirings. For example, there are 3 models of wiring as shown. While previously only the output of one voltage group A was available for the user. However, if for any reason this output is out of order, outputs 2 and 3 of voltage group A can be used. Current transformer. The standard is added to the report by selecting the IEC 618692 standard and clicking the Add to Report button. A description column is added to the report after enabling the ratio table option and clicking the Add to Report. After checking the ratio table option, if the voltage exceeds 180 mV, the value of voltage is measured from binary input 1, and if it is less than 180 mV, the value of the voltage is measured from binary input 10.